Smells like it's ready to fry me up. Here we have the Kenzzi. Probably shouldn't do much talking. Probably not. Yeah. Yeah, anyway, we just gonna unbox this real quick. Look, as we can see, I'm a hairy beast. I'm sure you've all seen that already. Kristen, say something else. Shut your ass up. I'm Native American, all right? The premium IPL handset, Kenzzi. Okay, all right, boom. So let's see what the bag looks like. Okay, so on the back of this box, it tells you what it comes with: the handset, the power cord, and then just a little user guide. Now it has a little chart, like a skin color chart, because if you're a certain, skin tone, you shouldn't use laser treatments or IPL, whatever. So it says do not use on your skin if your skin type is indicated as unsuitable by the above skin tone chart. Yeah, so I'll show you guys that later. Then it just has like their Instagram. And boom, nothing. Okay, next layer. Okay, all right. So we got this little quick start guide. Once again, we got that skin tone chart. Well, let's just finish taking this stuff out. Here is the handset. Obviously, this unboxing thing is actually kind of fun. Never done this. And then we got just the regular power cord. Okay, so let's go ahead and take her out. Ooh, Kenzzi. Okay, so it has like a nice, like, you don't know if you can hear it, like a matte finish. It's not like the shiny, it's like a matte. Power button on the back. What's this? I don't know what this is. Look at me touching shit already. Obviously the main button, and then this is where the laser comes out, I'm assuming. Of course. Power cord. Nothing to see, nothing to see. Let's look at this little guide real quick. So you're supposed to shave your hair before you do any type of like laser or IPL. I don't really know what the difference between laser and IPL is. I'm not even gonna hold you. You're gonna have to look that up. So it says shave any visible hair, and then make sure that your skin is dry and clean. Don't put any lotions or creams or anything on after. And then take a picture before to measure your results. Oh, so this is the cooling air inlet that I was about to rip off, the device. Read. This is the intensity light. This is the cooling air outlet. Okay, so this is the inlet, this is the outlet. Who really gives a... All right, never mind. So to use it, it has to be plugged in. It's not, portable or whatever. So this power button, the power button on the back of it is also used to change the intensity level. I know it goes 1 through 5, level 1 through 5. Obviously 1 is the lowest level, 5 is the highest. It says to achieve the best results, it's recommended that you use your Kenzzi on intensity level 5. However, test your handset on a lower level before starting your treatment so you can get used to the feeling of an IPL. The Kenzzi light window will flash pink when it is pressed directly against your skin. If the Kenzzi is not in direct contact with your skin, the light will not illuminate and the Kenzzi will not flash. This is because the handset has a safety sensor and will not activate unless pressed directly against the skin. The pink light will begin to blink once you place the light window onto your skin. This indicates that the handset is ready to be used. Press the pulse button to treat the area. You can treat the area with multiple passes, running the handset over the given area a maximum of 3 times. To turn your handset off, Press and hold down the green button, unplug your Kenzzi from the wall, then dampen a cloth with a few water drops, I can't read, and wipe over the window of your Kenzzi. Okay, now just some tips and tricks. IPL is only effective when the hair follicle is attached to the hair cell. Waxing, plucking, or using an epilator removes the entire hair call. So be sure not to do any of these before your treatment. You must shave hair only between using the Kenzzi, or before using the Kenzzi. Between it too, I believe. You're not supposed to really be doing any plucking or anything because you're not letting the hair that needs to grow out, so that way you can zap it. You're just plucking it out so it's actually removing the follicle and it's gonna grow again. Okay? You're not killing it, you're just letting it slide on by. If you have sensitive skin, shave the night before or morning of your treatment. This helps to avoid skin irritation. Exfoliate before use. This helps to remove any dead skin cells, which will help absorption of light. Smaller areas of your hair removal, you can press the pulse button once at a time until you have covered the desired area. Larger areas can be done by holding down the pulse button, causing fast bursting pulses. It is okay to slightly overlap in order to avoid missing certain areas. Always use sunscreen if you're going to expose yourself. Moisturize after. For best results, recommended to use once a week for the first 12 weeks, and then after that period, once a month for 3 months or until satisfied. To maintain hairless smooth skin, use your Kenzzi once every 2 to 3 months or as needed. Most users notice a reduction of hair after 3 to 4 treatments, with complete results after 12. It's not necessary to treat more than once a week. Don't use it in water, dumbass. Don't use it on your eyeballs. It says upper lip and down. Don't use it while you're on your period because it's gonna hurt more. You're not supposed to use it over tattoos, which I'm sad about because I was gonna laser my hairy ass on. But I guess I'm beat on that. So don't do it over tattoos or dark freckles or moles. If you have epilepsy, photosensitization, broken or burnt skin. Haven't decided everything that I'm gonna start zapping off, but I'll keep you guys updated. Probably will start my first treatment tomorrow or Saturday because it's Thursday and I don't want to do nothing. Mostly good reviews. The only bad things that I've seen was that some people's Kenzzi did not work upon arrival, and then Kenzzi wanted them to pay for shipping to send it back. It's nonsense. So hopefully I don't have any issues. Maybe I should just plug it up. You think I should?
It's hot.
Oh, you can hear it though. Hold on. It smells like it's ready to fry me up. All right, well, that's that. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be in tune or in touch with some results whenever we get this process started, okay? For all you hairy hoes out there, I feel your pain. I feel your pain. We're gonna try this out, all right? Thanks for watching, Herbn.locs, yeah, all that good stuff. Hit the subscribe button.